अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट। जैसा कि आप सबको पता है कि जून में मैट्रिक के क्लास 10 के एग्ज़ाम स्टार्ट होने वाले हैं और इसी चीज़ को न रखते हुए सामने मैंने आज एक मॉक टेस्ट आप लोगों के लिए तैयार किया है, जो आप लोगों को जिसमें आपको बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस और लॉन्ग आंसर उसमें आपको मिल सकेंगे और आपकी तैयारी में वो बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प कर सकता है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले एमसीक्यूज़ देख लेते हैं। तो फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू हमारे पास, काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ द मैथ स्प्रिंग सिस्टम इज़ मैक्सिमम एट। नंबर 2 इज़ द स्पीड ऑफ द साउंड एट रूम टेम्परेचर इज़। Number 3, the relation between velocity, frequency and wavelength for the waves is given by. Number 4, for a normal person, audible frequency range lies in. Number 5 is refractive index of the diamond is. Number 6, 5 joules of the work is needed to shift 10 coulomb of the charge from one place to another. The potential difference between the places is. Number 7, an electric current in the conductor is due to the flow of. Number 8, the direction of induced EMF in a circuit is accordance with the conservation of. Number 9, AND gates can be formed by using the two gates. Number 10 is, in computer terminology, information means. Number 11, in which process send release energy. And the last MCQ is, which of the following quantity is not changed during the refraction of the light. Okay, next part, subjective part is short question. First part, write the short answer to any of the 5 questions. Question number 2. Number 1 is define potential difference and write its unit. आप इसमें पूरा potential difference को define करेंगे, उसका unit explain करेंगे. Number 2 is what is meant by the EMF and write its SI unit. Number 3, what is the difference between step up and step down transformer. और इसमें आप सारा स्टेप डाउन और स्टेप अप ट्रांसफार्मर को दोनों अच्छी तरह से उसे डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे. एटलीस्ट 4 to 5 डिफरेंसेस आप इसमें मेंशन करें ताकि आपको फुल मार्क्स मिल सकें. नंबर 4 इज़ व्हाट इज़ मेंट बाय द आइसोटोप. राइट द नेम्स ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन आइसोटोप्स. Number 5, if 0.5 coulomb charge passes through a wire in 10 seconds, then what will be the value of the current flowing through the wire? Number 6, define Joule's law, write its equation. And number 7 is define atomic number and the mass number. Number 7 question is, state Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Next, question number 3, write short answers to any of the 5 questions. Number 1, what is the audible frequency range of the sound? Number 2, define capacitance and write its SI unit. Number 3 is what is meant by the electric field lines and write its properties. Number 4 is what is the difference between data and information. Number 5, what are browsers, give examples. Number 6 is what is the difference between the noise and music. Number 7, define piracy. And the 7 is they have calculate the intensity level of the faintest audible sound of the intensity 10 to the power. Question number 4, write the short answers to any of the 5 questions. Number 1 is define castellated rough, state Hooke's law. Number 3 is what is meant by the damped oscillations. Number 4, differentiate between a pole and optical center. Number 5 is define Snell's law and write its formula. Number 6 is write the laws of reflection. Number 7 is what is the thermonic emission. And the last question is what is the difference between the digital and the analog quantities. Part 2, long answers, and we have to attempt only the 2 questions. So the question number 5, part A is define simple harmonic motion and prove that the motion of the mass attached with the spring is a simple harmonic motion. Number part B is, a convex mirror is used to reflect the light from an object placed 66 cm in front of the mirror. The focal length of the mirror is 46 cm. Find the location of the image. Question number 6, part A, define the loudness of the sound upon which the factors depend. Part B, a capacitance holds 0.06 coulombs of the charge when fully charged by a 9-volt battery. Calculate the capacitance of the capacitor. Question number 7, part A is, what is meant by the specific resistance? Prove that R equals to rho L over A. Part B is, half-life of a radioactive element is 10 minutes. If the initial count rate is 368 counts per minute, find the time for which the count rate reaches 23 counts per minute. So students, ये एक important questions, short questions और long answers जो मुझे important लगे वो मैंने आपके साथ share किए हैं. और